Netflix announces movie adaptation of world's best-selling video game. Netflix has recently joined in over the hype of the most famous video game, Minecraft, and officially announced a show adaptation. Confirming the development, a streamer shared on X that Netflix and Mojang Studios, an animated Minecraft series, is officially in the works. Since Minecraft will be celebrating its 15th anniversary this year, now would be the perfect time to launch the Netflix TV adaptation. Minecraft is one of the best and most intriguing video games. Also, it's no surprise that it's already sold more than 300 million copies since October 2023. This exceptional number explains the hype about it, and this figure will certainly increase after the recent announcement of Netflix. The same thing has recently occurred to the current video game adaptations. The Last of Us sales boosted 238% after its launch. Another hit, Fallout, also crossed 7.500% after it was popular on Prime Video. Additionally, it won't be wrong to say that Minecraft can certainly become a hit once again, and it can also hold the record to be the best adaptation of all time. Also, WildBrain Studio is likely to animate the entire series as they hold an outstanding work record, including Johnny Test, The Snoopy Show, Carmen Sandiego, and etc. Netflix has further revealed that the soon-to-be-launched show is likely to feature an original story, but the twist is that a few new characters will be added into it to bring some more thrill to the show. This could also be bad news for some fans, as they wouldn't be able to see their most beloved characters, Steve and Alex. However, Netflix is expected to keep the most popular enemies such as creepers as well as zombies. Moreover, no further information is revealed till yet.